Well, YouTube, this is awesome because I got something really cool in here, and it's one of the RGB colors. It's my own. It's a hand blender, which is really awesome. The only problem is I messed up the whisk, but that won't stop me from using it because, like I said, I'll get a replacement whisk for it. Like I said, I messed up the whisk attachment, but as far as I'm concerned, the blender attachment works, so that's awesome. Red, green, and blue, you see all the colors. This is the blender attachment, and you slide it in here. There's a power cord right there. You slide this in here, and then you lock it in. Hands in the way. Yeah, you slide it in. Take this little thing in there. Let's see. Let me put my camera up here. And hopefully you can see this. Let me scoot back. Sorry, I am. Alright. Oh, I gotta set that back there. There we go. I'll do a what does it look like under colored lighting at some point. But take this and you put the attachment on. Which is, I looked on the box, it is primarily a blender, but you do get the whisk attachment. Like I said, I messed up the one I currently, messed up the little rotating head on the whisk attachment, but primarily this is a blender, so I'm going to put you slide these in here, twist, and it locks, and then you push these buttons up here. I'll definitely do some demonstration videos of this. It's a hand blender. I showed you all my egg maker in one video. It's cyan. This is red, so what do you know, red and cyan, they go really well together. Like I said, once I get a replacement whisk, it'll be awesome because I can show you all the whisking function, but I'll definitely do a demonstration of the blender function for y'all. This is it's made by the Bella company. There's not much light in here, but this is what it looks like. It's a white light. It pretty much, in all honesty, you can guess under red light it's gonna look red, pretty much. But that's my emersion Bella blender, hand blender. It's awesome. I take the attachment. You need to twist like this. So you twist. So when you take the attachment off, what you do is you take the attachment, put it on like that, twist. There we go, and it locks, and the whole thing spins, and it moves these blades down here, and that's just the blender blades. So I'm gonna go ahead. Sorry if there's background noise. I forgot to tell that. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna remove the blender, and that's the blender attachment. I'm gonna definitely do some demonstrations for you. This part is it is red, which is the color of the actual power head. That's the color of the power head. It's red. Like I said, sorry if there's background noise. And then it's got red up here, and the whole thing down here is stainless steel, which is silver, which is good. It's like a metal turntable, but it's awesome. I'm gonna go ahead and put this back in the box. Like I said, this week, when I get to it, I'll definitely make some. Oh, sorry about that. The camera dropped. I'll definitely share all this along with my cyan egg maker in action. So I'll probably make eggs for y'all, and I'll show you. Now, it's not RGB as of lighting, but it's still considered RGB because of the colors. Because I have this, which is red, and I have my egg maker, and I also have a coffee maker, which is blue, which is the green and blue combined, which is cyan. So that's awesome. So that is my red. Knocked over again. Sorry about that. That is my red Bella immersion blender. You can actually see the picture. You can see a couple pictures over here on the box. Like I said, I'm going to see if I can't get a replacement whisk for it. But as far as I'm concerned, as long as I have the blender part, I'm good. That's what it looks like on the box. And there it is. And that's it. And so thanks for watching, and more to come later. I will definitely do that blender demonstration for y'all this week sometime. But anyways, thanks for watching, and more to come later.